Science is a journey of discovery. It's about asking questions and searching for answers. This is where paradigms come in. They are the invisible frameworks that guide our research. Imagine a soccer field. Their strategies differ. In research, a paradigm is a school of thought. They influence the questions we ask and the experiments we conduct. Paradigms shape scientific progress. Think of a paradigm as the rules of the game. In soccer, these rules define the boundaries of the game, dictate the roles of the players, and determine what constitutes a win or a loss. Similarly, in research, paradigms provide a set of guidelines and principles that govern scientific inquiry. For example, the Newtonian paradigm in physics, dominant for centuries, viewed the universe as a giant clockwork mechanism. It emphasized objectivity, determinism, and the ability to predict future events based on physical laws. This paradigm led to groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. However, as our understanding of the universe evolved, new paradigms emerged. The theory of relativity and quantum mechanics challenged the deterministic view of the Newtonian paradigm. These new paradigms introduced concepts like uncertainty and relativity, altering our fundamental understanding of space, time, and matter. Just as soccer has evolved with new rules and strategies, science also progresses through paradigm shifts. These shifts occur when existing paradigms fail to explain new observations or when a more comprehensive and elegant explanation arises. They revolutionize our understanding of the world and open up new frontiers of knowledge. While paradigms provide the overall framework, the research approach is the game plan. It's the specific strategy a team employs to win a match, taking into account the opponent, the field conditions, and the team's own strengths and weaknesses. In research, the approach refers to the specific methods and techniques used to collect and analyze data. If the paradigm is the we are investigating, the approach is the. It outlines the steps researchers take to address their research questions and test their hypotheses. There are various research approaches, each suited to different types of inquiry. Quantitative approaches, such as surveys and experiments, rely on numerical data and statistical analysis to identify patterns and relationships. Qualitative approaches, like interviews and ethnographies, focus on understanding the meaning and experiences of individuals and groups. Choosing the right research approach is vital to the success of any study. Just as a soccer team wouldn't use the same tactics against every opponent, researchers must carefully select approaches that align with their research questions, the chosen paradigm, and the nature of the phenomena they are studying. Paradigms and research approaches are not mutually exclusive. They are intertwined and influence each other. The paradigm influences the choice of approach, while the findings generated through the chosen approach can, in turn, challenge or refine the existing paradigm. Going back to the soccer analogy, imagine a team that traditionally favors a defensive style of play. They might adopt a new possession-based paradigm, recognizing its potential benefits. However, fully implementing this paradigm requires not just a change in mindset but also a shift in their approach. They need to train players in new skills, emphasizing passing and movement instead of solely focusing on defense. Similarly, in research, adopting a new paradigm often necessitates learning new techniques and adapting existing methods. For instance, the rise of big data analysis has led to the development of novel computational approaches in various fields, influencing how researchers collect, process, and interpret information. Ultimately, the success of any research endeavor hinges on the synergy between the chosen paradigm and the research approach. A well-aligned paradigm and approach create a powerful framework for generating meaningful insights and advancing knowledge.